4 by 200-meter relay.
Hey, Charlie, I see you. There we go. There we go. Get up out of there. That's my daughter. Come on, come on, come on.
Judson with the early lead. Is off JV girls 100-meter hurdle. Diaz of Judson third at 17.94. Whittington of Judson second 17.81. Jones of Judson 17.68. Still on the inside. JV girls. Lane 3, 7-0 still.